I'm wearing black because it's a very sad day. There's no more Zwift. No more Zwift. That was why I left I was meant to be doing the 7 o'clock Wednesday live stream. It didn't happen. I was meant to do a training session on Tuesday morning. It didn't happen. There is no more Zwift. So basically what's happened is our trainer, which is a Tax Flux, has broken for the second time. And so that's being sent back today, and we're not going to have a new one for 2 weeks. So it's first world problem, but this is the second time this has happened with this, with Tax Flux. There's apparently loads of problems with them. So what can you do? Luckily though, let me show you this. Luckily, my lovely friend Kaylee has lent me this. So this is separate. The one that I had was a drivetrain. This one is like a wheel on. It's a bit kind of upside down, I think. So I need to put that the right way. And this one, is that my socks? Remember Sooty and Sweep? Anyway, and then this is the one that we're sending back, so... So for now, there won't be any Zwift action. And I'm quite disappointed about it. First world problems, but the weather is getting better, so I'm a bit like, I'll just try and do some outside. But I was getting into my training, I was doing loads of sessions. Well, I did a few sessions. But we will see how we get on. I'm going to see how I get on with, that is a Tax Flow. So let me know if you've used it, let me know what you think it's like. I think it's going to be too noisy because I'm in an apartment. I think it's going to probably be too noisy for kind of like early morning use, but we'll see. And I guess I can give you a review of that one then as well. So, we shall see. First world problem, but Joe, you get really into it. I got really into Zwift. So, potentially thinking about a Wahoo kicker, or just keeping the one that they're going to send back to us. So we've not decided yet what we're going to do, but just wanted to give you a bit of an update. And I know it's a bit of a boring update, but I wanted to let you know what was happening. Because most of my videos, I want them to actually be informative and helpful in some way, entertaining. This is just kind of like this is where I've been. This is why I've not been doing the live Zwift session. So I'm going to go to the post office now, post it back. But I will keep you updated, possibly on Instagram, about how I find the Tax Flow. I probably will do a review video on here, but in the next couple of days I'll be letting you know if I'm going to be doing any kind of live sessions, live streams, or if I'm going to be on Zwift at all using the Tax Flow. So see you next video, hopefully on Zwift.